Good morning. It's Saturday and I'm off to work. The reasoning is I had been sick Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday. I actually started recovering Friday and went to work on Friday. And here I am on Saturday making up for lost time. Not long hours, but I'm headed to work and we'll see you after.
Hi guys, I am done with work. I am here at Bingo Loco in Charlotte, and we're about to play. It's like a rave bingo music game. We're ready to win some big prizes. I hope I win a vacation. That would be great. I hope I have the winning card. Let me show you the wildness going on in this place.
Welcome to the madness. Welcome to Bingo Loco. Prepare yourselves for the night of your life. In progress. Testing left speaker. Testing right speaker. Testing bass. Hold tight, the floor's about to shake. Testing lights. Bingo machine initiated. DJ and host located. Prizes loaded. Madness unlocked. And now the countdown to pure mayhem begins.
Pure mayhem.
Pure wrestling event.
Yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Make some noise if you're ready to bingo! Make some noise! I can't hear you, North Carolina! Hands up! Hands up! Make some noise! Let's go! Jump, jump, jump! Here we go! Go! Hands up! Hands up! Here we go!
A few of them, but this isn't everything. Ladies and gentlemen, one lucky winner's walking home with a brand new disco ball helmet. And all that. So, the reason I ask about my potheads, even though it's not technically legal here in Charlotte, but I got a stoner with me, and he goes by the name of Sid, the Stoner Slide. We smoke weed.
God, no. I'm not
Do
up
y'all
for
want to know what
auction.
your grand prize is this evening? Ladies and gentlemen, one lucky winner's walking home with a trip for 2 people to Las Vegas, Nevada.
First winner has to earn the prize between The Rock or Pitbull.
Or is it Dwayne The Rock Johnson?
But you have to earn your prize when you win.
All right, they both like a drinker, so this is really going to be a big test of who you are and who you want to be. So with that being said, Charlotte, are you ready? You ready? She said, I guess so. Alright, DJ Red, start the music. You don't gotta check until I say go. I need you making here straight out of Charlotte, NC, so y'all show him some love real quick, Charlotte. Miles here has called Bingo Loco for a chance to win a brand new air fryer. DJ Red has checked the results. DJ Red, does Miles have a Bingo Loco? Give the prizes away.
You gotta earn it.
You gotta earn it, folks. And since we can't try something on stage, at least enough to share with everybody, I think it's only right that Ashley here finishes a couple song lyrics for us. Too. Y'all think she's ready now? DJ Red spinning! Let's go! Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Honey to the stage. Brendan has gotten a Bingo Loco. This is for a chance to walk on with a brand new karaoke machine for just in case you forgot. DJ. This right here is my man Arthur. Y'all say what up, Arthur? What up, Arthur? Arthur here has called Bingo Loco. Walking up the stairs and he said, damn it. However, we must confirm that my man Arthur has Bingo Loco. DJ Red has checked the results. Does Arthur have a Bingo Loco? we have a caller. This right here is my girl. Your card, miss. So Amanda here has called Bingo Loco for a chance to go to Las Vegas, Nevada. Not just for herself, but for 2 people. We must confirm that Amanda has a Bingo Loco. DJ Red has checked the results. DJ Red, does Amanda have a Bingo Loco? Let's go! Amanda, you think you're ready to go to Las Vegas? Ladies and gentlemen, here at Bingo Loco, I can't just send Amanda to Vegas without knowing that she knows how to party. Here at Bingo Loco, we don't just give the prizes away. Here at Bingo Loco, you have to. You gotta earn it, folks.
It was such a blast to go to Bingo Loco, our first time going to Bingo Loco, and it was a music bingo rave, and they had a moment where they did raves. I wish I won the Las Vegas trip. I've always wanted to go to Las Vegas, never was able to do that before, but we had an amazing time with a great group of friends, and we're gonna end the night at one of our favorite places with a band that we've been wanting to see, a rock and roll band. We're just gonna end the night just having fun and doing our thing. And
Exit right.
hi.
So
Say hello to my channel.
Sorry, my.
He's stripping down a little bit. Anyways, all right. See you later. Bitch, what'd you say to me? What'd you say to me?